teaching is the noblest profession, the heart of all professions. Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something close to all of us, teaching. Whether we become engineers, doctors, artists, or leaders, there's always one person behind every success, a teacher. Teaching is often called the noblest profession, but why is that? What makes it so special and significant? First, teachers shape the future. Teachers do not just teach lessons, they shape minds, the values, skills, and confidence they instill in students last a lifetime. Every innovation, every breakthrough, every leader starts with a teacher. Teaching influences every other professions. Imagine a world without teachers. Who will train the next doctors, architects, or presidents? Number 2. Teachers inspire and uplift lives. Teachers inspires beyond academics. Many of us remember that one teachers who believed in us, who pushed us to do better, or who made us feel seen. For students who face challenges at home or in a life, a teacher can be their only source of hope and stability. Number 3. Teaching demands selflessness and passion. Teaching is not just a job, it's a calling. Teachers give their time, energy, and sometimes even their own money just to make sure their students succeed. They work long hours preparing lessons, checking papers, and supporting learners, often without the recognition they deserve, and they do it out of love. Number 4. The, the, no, the nobility of teaching. To teach is to touch lives forever. No salary can measure the impact of a teacher's influence. They build character, spark imagination, and empower generations. That is why teaching is and always will be the noblest profession. Teaching is the noblest profession. Good day to everyone. Today I stand before you to speak about one of the most honorable yet often underappreciated professions in the world, teaching. Among all careers and vocations, teaching is rightfully considered the noblest profession. But why is that so? First and foremost, teaching is the foundation of all other professions. No doctor, engineer, lawyer, police officer, or leader becomes who they are without first being taught. Behind every successful individual is a teacher who guided, inspired, and believed in them. Without teachers, there will be no professionals, no builders of society, and no future. Teaching is not just about lessons and grades. It is about molding character, building dreams, and shaping the future. Teachers do not only fill minds with knowledge, they touch hearts, build confidence, and plant values that last a lifetime. They act they act as mentors, second parents, and life coaches. The values of respect, patience, discipline, and kindness. These are often taught not by books but by the very example of a teacher's life. Another reason why teaching is noble and noble is because it is a selfless profession. Teachers give their time, energy, and sometimes even their personal resources, not for fame or wealth, but for the success of their students. They stay up late preparing lessons, speed hours, checking papers, and offer guidance far beyond the classroom walls. They celebrate our achievements, comfort us in failure, and never give up on us, even when we give up on ourselves. Furthermore, teaching is a mission that demands great passion and patience. Every student is different, and teachers must find ways to connect with each one, no matter their background, ability, or attitude. They do not only teach what is in the curriculum, but they also deal with the emotions, struggles, and growth of each learner. That is a task not everyone can do it. It takes heart, it takes courage, it takes purpose. Most importantly, the impact of a teacher is lifelong. Long after we leave school, we remember their words, their advice, and how they made us feel. A good teacher lives forever in the minds and hearts of their students. They may not always be remembered by name, but their influence continues through the lives of the people they help build. In conclusion, teaching is more than a job. It is a sacred duty, a commitment to serve others, and a way to make the world better one student at a time. It is a profession that does not just change lives, it creates them. That is why teaching is and will always be the noblest profession of all. Thank you, and may we always honor and respect our teachers as moral and ethical guides. In a time when the world is facing challenges like corruption, violence, and moral decay, teachers are frontliners in building character. They teach more than just reading, writing, and math. They teach respect, kindness, responsibility, and resilience. Good teachers become second parents to students. They care not only about grades, but about the student's total well-being. They notice when a child is sad, struggling, or needs help. They offer guidance, motivation, and encouragement. They correct mistakes not with harshness, but with patience and understanding. This moral guidance make teaching noble. A teacher might never wear a cape or get a medal, but their influence can lead a child away from darkness and toward a brighter future. The sacrifices teachers make. Another reason why teaching is noble is the sacrifices teachers make. Every day, many work long hours beyond the classroom, preparing lessons, checking papers, attending training, mentoring students, often with limited resources or low pay, and yet they continue to give their best, driven by passion and love for teaching. In many places, especially in developing countries, teachers go to the extra mile to educate students even when schools lack, lack books, chairs, or even electricity. Some walk long distance just to teach in remote areas. Some use their own money to provide for students' needs. These acts of silent heroism prove how deeply teachers care. They do not work for fame or fortune, but for the satisfaction of seeing a student grow, learn, and succeed. This selflessness and dedication are what make teaching not just a job but a noble mission. Teaching requires a special kind of heart. Not everyone can be a teacher. It requires more than knowledge. It demands hearts, patience, empathy, and a desire to serve others. A teacher must deal with different personalities, learning styles, and behaviors. Every day, they must manage challenges in the classroom, meet deadlines, and respond to both praise and criticism with professionalism. Yet, despite all this, a great teacher keeps showing up ready to give, ready to guide. That's what makes the profession noble. It is about giving of oneself so others can grow. Teaching is eternal. Building crumble, building crumble, machines break, and riches fade, but knowledge and values taught by a good teacher can last forever. Teaching creates an eternal impact. It's a profession that continues to give long after the teacher has retired or even passed away. The nobility of teaching is not measured by money or popularity but by legacy. Each student who carries the lessons of their teacher into the world becomes a living proof of that legacy. Teaching is a quiet force that moves generations. To teach is to touch a life forever. Teaching is not only a profession, it is a mission, a commitment, and a calling. It is a noble duty because it empowers people, uplifts communities, and drives humanity forward. A teacher's work may often go unnoticed, but their influence is powerful, deep, and lasting. We must value our teachers not just with words, but with actions. They are the silent heroes who invest in the minds and hearts of the next generation. As the saying goes, a good teacher is like a candle, it consumes itself to light the way for others. In every child's success, there is a teacher who believed in them. In every dream fulfilled, there is a teacher who planted the seed. That is why teaching is and always will be the noblest profession. Teaching is not just about passing on knowledge or delivering lectures, it is about shaping lives. Teachers teachers hold the immense responsibility of nurturing young minds and preparing them to become responsible, productive, and compassionate members of society. A teacher doesn't only teach academic subjects, they instill values, discipline, and critical thinking. Imagine a classroom full of young students. Each one of them carries a different dream. Some want to become doctors, others is engineers, artists, or even future teachers. The teacher is the spark that lights those dreams by guiding students, encouraging their potential, and overcome helping them overcome their weaknesses. A teacher becomes an instrument of transformation. Number two, teaching builds all other professions. All professionals, regardless of field, owe their success to a teacher. A doctor saves lives, an engineer builds structures, and a lawyer defends justice. But one of these professionals would be where they are without the early guidance. Without the early guidance of their teachers, teachers are the silent architects behind every achievement. Even the greatest leaders in history, presidents, scientists, heroes have been shaped by educators. The nobility of teaching lies in its impact. It builds not just individual careers but entire nations. A strong educational system led by passionate teachers is the backbone of national development.